channel. Today we are going to be making this spicy noodle, and what we're gonna put in there is some bok choy. We went to the flea market or the farmer's market this morning, so these are really fresh. Were just harvested this morning. We're gonna use 2 eggs. We're gonna be using cilantro and green onion, and then I got some tofu also, and I just dice it into little slices or dices like this, and that is it. We're gonna go to the stove. Excuse me, I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm just gonna do the best I can. So in my skillet, I already put water in there. I want to say this is 4 cups of water, and it boils. So I am going to be putting the bok choy first because they're the one that takes the longest to cook. So bok choy in there. And I'm gonna do something different. So instead of stirring with my spatulas, I'm gonna use chopsticks. So we are just going to cook this until the bok choy is ready, and then we are going to be putting our noodles in. So all you want to do is you cook the hardest or the vegetable or thing that takes the longest to cook. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do the noodles, and after the noodles I'll put the green onion and then the tofu, because the tofu I like it kind of raw, like it's cooked but it's kind of raw. So I put that almost to the last, and then we put cilantro in there, and also the eggs. So it is almost Halloween. Give you guys a little sneak peek. You guys like that? So these pumpkins, I got these from Walmart last year, and then I also got these beautiful leaves. I think I got these at Walmart also. It was last year. These leaves were really cheap. They're $1, and then I believe the pumpkins were like $3. So, and excuse that, it's just my alarm. So every time when we open the door or a window, the alarm chimes just to say somebody's leaving or coming in. And shh, it's also a good tracker on the husband. But you didn't hear it from me. It has been 3 minutes, and the bok choy is kind of ready. I'm just gonna put the noodles in. I broke the noodles into pieces because I just like them to be a little bit shorter. So you guys see it, one side the bok choy is cooking, the other side the noodles are cooking. Yeah. And then I'm just going to put the mixed vegetables that came with the noodles. Make sure you want to turn the noodles so they're cooked on both sides. They're both cooked. Excuse me, I can't really speak today. And also it doesn't help because I don't have my tripod, so I am just cooking with it in my hand and I'm just one hand cooking. I guess that's how single mothers do it, you know. They hold their baby on one side and cook with one hand. Noodles are good. I'm going to put my green leeks in, green onions. There's some green onions in the mixed veggies already, but I like more green onions just so that I have that fresh flavor. So that's why I'm adding those in there. And I'm going to set you guys down for 1 minute because I'm going to put the egg in there. And you know, I'm not good with one hand cracking egg. So I'm going to put you guys down for 1 minute, okay? Okay, so I put my 2 eggs in there. The next thing I'm going to be putting is tofu. I'm putting half a tofu in there because I love it. And no, I'm not a vegetarian, if you guys are wondering. And tofu juice. That's the best. So I am just going to let that cook for about, I want to say 3 minutes, and then we'll come back and check it out. Next, I am going to be putting the season that it came with the noodles. I want to make sure I get everything in there. And the reason why I chose these noodles is because I like it. It is spicy. Because you know, you guys know I love spicy food. Not too spicy, just spicy enough, but not too spicy. Do you guys think these eggs are pretty? Yeah, I think they are. I don't know how to poach egg. Is that even the term for it? Poach eggs, but that's the best we're gonna have to do today. then we're gonna put in the cilantro, my favorite. It's always fresh, you know, if you want something fresh, just throw in cilantro and there you have it, you know. So it's almost lunchtime. It's a little bit past lunchtime, but I am going to plate it and then I'm gonna have lunch. What are you guys having for lunch? You guys let me know in the comment below. And if you guys have any other recipe, let me know. You guys see that, how I turn the egg? Yeah, there you go. I'm always so afraid to do that because if you're not good, you're gonna break the egg. You're not gonna get a pretty egg. And you know, food is always about presentation, right? Just kidding. Okay, well that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you for coming back, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And then for dinner, we are going to have red velvet and chocolate cake with ice cream. This is cookies and cream. Wait a minute, I gotta taste this. It is so moist. And I am just going to add in some chocolate. Can never have enough of chocolate. And then we are going to add some caramel. Caramel. There we go. I love caramel. Oh, look at that. Okay, I gotta taste it. Sorry, guys. I just gotta taste it. I just gotta taste it. Yep. That's good. My husband made the cake because, you know, I cannot bake for, excuse my French, crap. Dessert is so good.